Hi folks, look at SharperTrades. Mixed day today on Wall Street with the SPY stalling at the 509 resistance, pulling back a little bit. Current support is this green line, super tight, the 3 EMA and the 8 EMA, somewhere around 502, 500. Below that, the next support is 492. Looking for a breakthrough the all-time high 510. And at that point, we're looking for 517 and 524. Coin, explosive, this one, we're seeing it across a variety of crypto-related tickers. We'll take a look in a moment at a couple of others. Coin, this one is an investment on the move. I like the look of this. Today was also day trade for some of you. Hitting the target at 196 is breaking above this recent high, 193. 64. Next target 209, 223, and then 238. Support 183 and 179. If you're swinging it, Hood is a swing, is working well. This one is also crypto related. Breakout through here, give you an entry somewhere around, what was it, 1380, something like that. Could I hit the first target at 1470, extending, closing well. 1561, good technicals in the post market. 1630, 18, second and third, possibly 20. Support tighten today low and 1380. Mara, another crypto related, is a crypto miner, strong day. Little coverage of this one in the trading room. But if you do like crypto miners, this one is one of those that is well positioned. It's very volatile, but the technicals are bullish, good volume. Look for a move past Thursday, February 15 high, that's 3050-ish. Target is 33, 36, 39, and then 42, very volatile. Support 27 and 26. So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses, all my trading services, and access to the trading room. A package worth almost $3,000, available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section, and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1, or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. SharperTrades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.